What is life force energy? Life force energy is exactly what it sounds like. It is the universal energy that gives life to all things. Our thoughts are energy and give rise to our emotions, which in turn are simply energy in motion, like invisible clouds hovering above and around our physical body. High-frequency emotions, such as love and joy, are bright, while lower frequency emotions are dimmer and sometimes dark. Nature's intelligence functions with effortless ease, harmony, and love. We can learn to harness this life force energy to create success and good fortune with this same effortless ease using our conscious awareness. Everything in our universe is made of energy, and the universal laws of physics tells us that like energy attracts like energy. We must become an energetic, vibrational match to what it is that we wish to attract into our experiences. Following the laws of nature, the law of least effort as nature teaches us, we will learn to accept people, situations, circumstances, and events as they occur, and this raises our life force energy. Within the flow of universal energy lays the wisdom of uncertainty. In the wisdom of uncertainty lays the freedom from our past, from the known, which is the prison of past conditioning. And in our willingness to step into the unknown is the field of all possibilities, a place where we can surrender ourselves to the creative mind that orchestrates the dance of the universe. In order to help ourselves understand others, first we must understand the nature of our being. Humans are energy beings. In fact, every part of us is made of energy particles, and this means every organ, cell, membrane, bone, fiber, tissue, and muscle in our physical body. In addition, all of our thoughts, emotions, and spirit are also made of energy particles. We are an intricate and complicated combination of pure energy.